Come test drive the 2012 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, front stabilizer bar, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, cargo area light. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.